In this lesson, we are going to learn how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let's start with 5/3. Why is 5/3 an improper fraction? Because the numerator 5 is greater than the denominator 3. Converting an improper fraction to a mixed number is very simple. We just have to divide the 5 by 3. 3 goes into 5 one times. The 1 is the whole number part of our mixed number. The remainder, which is 2, will be the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed number. And we just keep the denominator the same. Now you see why we call this a mixed number, because it's a mix of the whole number, which is the 1 in our example, and the fraction 2/3. So the fraction 5/3 is 1 and 2/3 as a mixed number. What about this example? 22/7. 7 fits into 22 3 times. Because 3 times 7 is 21. How far is it from 21 to 22? Just 1. Write the 1 in the numerator and keep the denominator the same, and we are done. Let's look at 45/7. We see immediately that 45 divided by 7 is 6. Because 6 times 7 is 42. If you don't see that, I highly recommend learning your multiplication tables as fast as possible. You can also make a list of the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Seven times 7 is 49, which exceeds 45. 6 times 7 is 42. How far is it from 42 to 45? 3. So our remainder is 3, which we write in the numerator, and we just keep the denominator the same. Let's say we have 123/4. Feel free to pause the video and try to find the mixed number by yourself. In this case, when the numbers are bigger, we have to do a list or long division. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down the 3. The 4 fits into the 3 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. And 3 minus 0 is 3. We write the 30 as the whole number part of our mixed number. And the remainder, which is 3, will be the numerator of the fractional part of our mixed number. The denominator we keep the same. The answer is 30 and 3/4. Let's double check if we did that correct. The 4 fits into 123 30 times, because 4 times 30 is 120. How far is it from 120 to 123? 3. So we solved the problem correctly. What if we would have 120 over 4 as a problem instead of 123 over 4? Then we would just get the whole number 30 as our solution. In other words, we wouldn't get a remainder. Let's look at 11 over 2. Let's write our denominator first, because we keep it the same. 2 goes into 11 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. How far is it from 10 to 11? 1. So our remainder is 1. So the fraction 11 over 2 is 5 and 1/2 as a mixed number. What about 13 over 3? Let's write the denominator first. 3 goes into 13 4 times. So 4 is our whole number. 3 times 4 is 12. How far is it from 12 to 13? 1. So our remainder is 1. Let me show you another method on how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. The first step is to break up the 11 into two numbers. Your first number is going to be as big as possible and divisible by 2 without a remainder. So in this example, we get 10 over 2 plus 1 over 2. 10 over 2 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 1 over 2 is 5 and 1/2. Let's break up the 13 into two numbers. The biggest number in which the 3 goes here is 12. So let's break up the 13 in 12 and 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 4 plus 1/3 is 4 and 1/3. Let's do a quick recap. Converting improper fractions to mixed numbers is very simple. Just divide the numerator by the denominator of your original fraction and then rewrite the whole number in your answer. After that, write your remainder in the numerator of your fraction part of your answer and keep the denominator the same. I want to add that when we have a mixed number where the fraction part is not simplified to its lowest terms, like 3 and 4/8, the fraction part can be simplified because we have a common factor between 4 and 8 other than 1. So we can write 3 and 1/2. Always remember, 3 and 4/8 is equivalent to 3 plus 4 over 8. And here you could also simplify 4 over 8 to 1 over 2. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.